So how far will 20K get you in home renovations? That's a question we're going to be answering today. We're going to meet up with Alex, and he's going to walk us through projects he's working on. And you might be surprised to find out that some of the smaller projects that make big improvements actually don't cost you all that much. Well, it looks like you guys have already got started, but before we learn about the remodel, tell me about the house itself.
Yeah, so we closed on this.
Yep.
Just on Friday. We're rolling on Monday.
Yeah.
This is a 4-bedroom,
Yep.
2-bath house, southeast Rochester.
Yep.
We had to come in over the top. There's quite a few bids. It was listed at 175.
Yeah.
We came in at 185.
Wow.
No contingencies, moved it right to pending.
Wow.
Beat out 10 other offers to get it, but I think there's still plenty of room for what we want to do to turn it into a rental.
Great.
So, the comparables in this area with a completely redone house are about 250.
Oh, great.
So there should be plenty of room when we're done to pull equity out.
Yep.
And do it again.
So we're paying 185. We're going to put about 20K in remodels, so that puts us at 205. We believe we'll get an appraisal for about 250, which will give us some equity to continue purchasing or for anything we want, really.
Absolutely.
So can you tell me about the 20,000? Where is that going in this remodel?
Yeah, so one of the big things I think in any home is the flooring.
Yep.
So we ripped out all of the old laminate that was here. We're going to go with an LVP product.
Great.
Up here, the bedrooms are going to stay carpet. And then downstairs, same thing. We have some old tile we're going to have to rip out down there, but we'll make it work and we'll put some LVP in over the top. And then we're going to move right on to painting.
Yep.
You can see they're taping stuff off already. So we'll paint. The painting's going to be about $3,000 or so. We figure by the time it's all done.
Yep.
Because this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house.
Yep.
Typical split, but we do have a ranch down on the bottom.
Great.
So we've got the bathroom remodel. Will be the next thing.
Yep. Let's go check that out.
Even though this is a finished bathroom, Jordan, the fiberglass insert's cracked. So we're going to end up ripping this whole thing out, putting another one in, new vanity as well. The doors are missing on the front. You might as well just put a new one in.
Yeah.
Then we'll do LVP on the floor, and then we'll paint. Even though it's got an awesome yellow, we'll probably end up painting it a more modern color.
So basically we're spending about 4 on the flooring.
4 on the floor.
About 3 on paint, gets us to 7. About 10 to 12 on the bathrooms, and then give or take 1 to 3,000 for miscellaneous things that comes up. So that's where we get that 20,000. That's great. Let's go check out some other things in the house.
Absolutely. And I want to show you the bathroom here. We don't have a light in it right now. It's not finished, but what's interesting is the other side. I'll show you what with the wall here.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to end up moving this wall. Typically in these splits, the wall is over about 3 inches, and this pipe is encompassed.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like a big deal, but the issue is the inserts are 60 inches.
Yeah.
We have 58 on the other side. So somebody framed this up not knowing that. So we're going to end up taking this wall down, moving it over, and getting it to where we need to so we can fit that 60-inch inside.
That makes sense.
And that's really pretty limited. Our contractor said that was only a couple $100 to get that moved.
So a pretty big change that'll save you cost on the other side of this wall is only going to cost you about a couple $100. Yeah. And instead of getting a custom size, now you're getting a very standard 60-size tub. That's awesome.
So Jordan, we're in one of the unfinished bedrooms in the basement. A lot of people walk into a room like this and are kind of overwhelmed. There's a lot, it looks like, to be done, but actually the soffit's already framed up around the HVAC system. So all we got to do is sheetrock, do some London taping, paint. We can get this done in a day, and it's really not that much cost-wise either.
Yeah, it's amazing how some of the things like moving a wall or finishing a room like this might seem like a big expense, but those are on the lower end of the spectrum as far as the cost. Yeah. So the recap for this house is purchased for $185, putting $20K of work into the home, going to cost you about $205, all said and done. Believe though that we can get about $250 in an appraisal because of the comps that support it in this neighborhood. Correct. So that's $45K in equity right away, which is amazing. And then as far as the actual work being done in the house, we're putting about $4K into the carpet, flooring, all that stuff. We're going to put $3K into painting throughout. Bathrooms 10 to 12K, and then we've got like 1 to 3K give or take to finish off a room like this, move a wall, finish some stuff like that, right?
That's correct.
That sounds like a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
So if someone's interested in purchasing a home, putting the money in to gain that instant equity, what's their next step? Should they reach out to you?
yeah, reach out to us. We got the contact info below. We'd love to work with you.
Awesome.